Hi, this is Nick from Pluto 7, and welcome back to AI Minute. This week, we're going to explore the importance of having a data foundation as the basis for AI. Let's put a minute on the clock and jump in. A data foundation is an intelligence layer that connects internal and external data to drive insights using machine learning. Most companies rely on a manual approach for analyzing sales, marketing, and operations performance. This leads to slow decision making and slow response times to bottlenecks and disruptions. A data foundation brings real time visibility to an operation by removing data silos. The result is KPIs are met and operations remain profitable. A data foundation makes it possible to forecast demand using trends, weather, social media, and COVID 19 data. You can blend ERP and POS data to ensure inventory remains balanced and available. Finally, you can blend forecasted data with third party delivery partners to ensure availability for on time fulfillment. A data foundation is the first step for leveraging AI across a wide range of use cases that will need optimization and automation. To learn more and take that first step, reach out to us at pluto7.com.